Holy cow, we've got a GTO for us today. This is a 1966 GTO body off frame, rotisserie restored. I mean, the bottom is as polished as the top. Everywhere you look, this thing is polished. Has a 421 tri-power motor under the hood, along with vintage air. It's sitting on some upgraded custom chassis and brakes. Wait till you see the interior. I wish we had smell-o-vision because you would smell the leather. I can smell it from here. Just an amazing show quality car ready to be driven and enjoyed as well. Go to volocars.com. That's where you find price tags on about 200 classic cars for sale, and each one will have a monthly payment attached to it as well. But let's get started. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the body's amazing. I wrote in my description, did they ever make a GTO out of blue glass? Because that's what this looks like. It is, I mean, it is straighter than a laser beam. Absolutely amazing finish. Cobalt blue is polished like glass. I don't see any dust or dimples or divots or shrinkage or anything. This is all just amazing body and paint work. All incredible, has a great stance. All of this is just smooth as glass. It looks like you could dive in. When people say that's this car right here. And then all this stainless trim is all polished. All the chrome is show quality. Even the locks, the emblems, everything is just sparkling on this car. Body and paint, amazing. Look at the jambs. The door jambs are polished like glass. Stainless hardware used throughout. All this trim is all beautiful. All the rubber gaskets replaced. Even all the glass. All the glass all the way around is replaced. You can see it has a lowered stance, has some Hotchkiss suspension underneath we'll get to in a little bit. Billet Specialties wheels, they're 18s in front, 20s in back, extra wide in back, wrapped in some performance tires. All of this chrome, bezels, everything up here is in excellent shape. Here's one little tiny imperfection. I mean a small one right there. Got mirrors, emblems, got a power antenna, kind of shoots up on an angle like the GTOs used to have. Wait till you see the inside, so let's check it out. Okay, before we open the trunk, I want to show you the reflection in this paint. You see how the writing in the reflection is just crystal clear? It's like a mirror, isn't it? There's not even a ripple. And that's how the entire car is, from the rockers to the roof. It's smooth. I don't know what they got on it. Everything smooth to the touch. Yeah, this is nice. Bottom is painted and polished as slick as the car. It has these nice custom panels with white stitching. It's all cowhide leather. Look at the 421 tri-power. Look at the inserts they made for the hinges. And this leather is so soft and smooth. It's all boxed, stitched, upholstered, carpeted. You had a CD changer. Batteries mounted behind there. Nice, nice trunk. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the videos are posted. Go to volocars.com to see our 200 car inventory that changes literally daily, sometimes hourly. As we showed you earlier, the jambs are slick as the car. All the weather strips, window seals were replaced. Now we're getting to my favorite part. This interior is killer. All cowhide leather, custom sculpted door panels. Has flat toggle switch power windows. Has GTO embroidered emblem. Oh, I love sitting in here. Look at the dash pad. All wrapped in cowhide, white stitching. It's so nice. Look at the metal inside the car is painted like glass. You got billet AC vents. Stock instrument panel. All the wood grain and bezels and knobs look great. Has the rally gauges, the tachometer. We just replaced the tachometer. It was sticking at 2,500 RPM. retro stereo right in the factory hole, and vintage air heater controls. They're all electronic. Look at this Gran Turismo Omologato. I don't know how many of you knew that's what GTO stood for. All of this, the grab bar, the paint, the vent, all outstanding. This is our inspection sheet. Went through the shop. Kick panels wrapped in leather. Real nice plush carpeting, no wrinkles, with GTO embroidered mats. Custom made center console, all wrapped in leather and upholstered, and cup holders with the Hurst 5-speed shifter. Now look at these seats. Look at how nice and firm, and they're nice and bolstered, so they're very comfortable. All, again, leather and white stitching. The back of the seat, the plastic is wrapped in leather, and everything just fits so nice. They did such a nice job. The back seat all done to match. Side panels. Oh, power window switch is falling out. Got the flat toggle switches. All beautiful. Then the rear shelf, probably can't see too well, but it's all custom stitched in leather and has a mesh speaker grill, 6x9 speakers. The headliner is at Alcantara, but it's perforated, beautifully installed, matching visors. There's a modern mirror with the temperature and tells you the direction you're going. Beautiful, brand new deluxe steering wheel. Look how the chrome, everything's beautiful on it. It's on a tilt column. Even the brackets for the pedals. Check this out. This is smooth and glossy. Everywhere you look, it's smooth and glossy. There are speakers behind the kick panels, I just noticed. There's Ron Francis wiring system throughout with a modern fuse block. If you've ever been to Nashville and walked in the Boot Barn or any of them places that sell the leather boots, that's what that car smells like inside. Immediately reminded me of Nashville. Look at this engine bay. At the heart of it is a 421 tri-power. It's got probably a ceramic coated intake. Tri-power carbs were rebuilt, dressed up with some nice valve covers. It looks like a MSD ignition in the back. Has these nice chrome plug wire holders, chrome shields over the exhaust. Those are HO exhaust manifolds. Look at the firewall, it's all been smoothed. All the lines you'll notice and hoses are all actual stainless steel with nice fittings. Look how neatly everything is run. All painted smooth, all polished stainless hardware. Now the front of the motor has a March runner system with the nice billet brackets, billet pulleys, serpentine belt, polished mini AC compressor, chrome alternator, modern power steering with the remote reservoir, says March right on it, more braided stainless hoses. Now the radiator has upper and lower stainless hoses, all polished aluminum. It's an auto rad system, dual electric fans, polished overflow. Looks like a stainless steering column shaft. All polished power brake system. This is for hydraulic clutch. Then under the hood, painted, and has the hood insulation, chrome latches. That's beautiful. And it's a runner too. Matter of fact, Michael's going to take you out for a run right now. See you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. Got a really nice day here and an even nicer 1966 Pontiac GTO. Super, super high-end restoration. Really stout sounding 421 with the tri-power. It's got the 5-speed manual transmission, vintage air conditioning, other modern creature comforts like power windows. It also does have four-wheel Willwood power disc brakes. Suspension feels good going over these bumps with ease here. Steering very nice and smooth. I really like this one. I'm excited about this. This paint, you need to see this paint in the sunlight. It's one of the most absolute beautiful colors that I've ever seen on any of our cars. Truly amazing paint job. All right, now let's see what this 421's got. Just like that, up to speed, no problem. I tell you, this is a tight car. Really, really nice build here. Really enjoying this one. More than enough power there. Manual shifter's fun to throw around. It's just got a tight ride to it, a tight feel. Let's see here. I can show you how nice and tight, easy it is to steer. I mean, this thing is just awesome. Absolutely love it. If you want to come take this for a test drive yourself, by all means, you are more than welcome to. We are located in Volo, Illinois, about an hour outside of Chicago, about 30-minute drive outside of O'Hare International Airport if you need to fly in. Give us a call. You can talk to one of our consultants and they can arrange a test drive for you, which I would highly recommend because it's a lot of fun. Great car overall. Check it out on volocars.com.
So there's under 1,200 miles on the restoration. Be honest with you, it looks like there's no miles on it. It's that fresh and beautiful. Now they took the body off the frame, flipped it on a rotisserie, and they worked the bottom of the car like the top. It's all beautiful metal, painted as slick as the car, the same color as the car. And then all the chassis was all apart, painted, you know, prepped, and looking really sharp too. Upgraded, completely rebuilt suspension, upgraded with Hotchkiss parts. It has adjustable tie rods, fatter sway bar, lowering springs. In back, it has all custom control arms, upper and lower. There's some extra tubular support brackets. It's all to keep the car from twisting. It does have lowering springs, and it has air shocks. You can adjust the ride that you want, or the height of the stance. Nice custom dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers, goes all the way out the back. I'm gonna guess it's a stainless fuel tank. It's polished like a mirror. Beautiful tank with all nice stainless braided lines and fittings coming out of it. Completely upgraded Willwood brake system, drilled and slotted rotors at all four wheels with polished calipers. Does have a custom e-brake system. You look up at the motor, it looks like a chrome oil pan, high torque starter, big heavy duty bell housing, and it's a Kiesler transmission package. It's actually a Tremec Trans, but they sell the whole package, the hydraulic clutch, rebuilt drive shaft, goes back to a Ford 9-inch heavy duty rear end with posi gears in it. Oh, I feel like I forgot something, but everything under this car is fantastic. And again, this thing's polished everywhere you look. It's killer. Someone's going to enjoy this car. It's worthy of going to a World of Wheels show. It'll be a knockout at any cruise night you take it to. But shifting those gears and hearing all three of them carbs open up, you'll literally hear it. It runs on the center carb, and when you tromp on it, all of them open, and you'll hear it sucking that air into that motor. You'll feel it too. So go to volocars.com. Salesman will answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door, how to get it financed. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website. Thanks for watching.